Hello children, hope you all are doing good. I am your art teacher Sangeeta Sarkar and today we are going to learn about primary, secondary and tertiary colors together. Okay, so in our previous classes we have already learned about primary, secondary colors. So what are the primary colors? Yellow, blue and red. And the secondary colors are green, orange and violet. Okay. Now, what are tertiary colors? We get tertiary colors when we mix two secondary colors. For example, when we mix green and violet, we get blue-gray color. Okay. When we mix violet and orange, we get red gray color, and when we mix orange and green we get yellow gray color. Okay, that is like a olive color. Now we are going to use all these three tertiary colors, all these three primary colors and all these three secondary colors together to make a beautiful painting. Okay, so let's start with the painting. So we'll begin with making a rectangle on our sheet of paper. So for the border we can use scale. So let's make a rectangle, and in this rectangle we are going to make a beautiful scenery. Now we'll start with drawing inside the rectangle. So first draw one horizontal line in the middle of the rectangle. Then these are the trees which are at a far away distance, and then we'll make mountains. Yes. Then we'll draw a land, and a tree on the land, a big tree. Follow the process how I am drawing the tree. Yes. Then some bushes under the tree. We have to add one sun. Then a boat. And this is another boat. These are two sticks on the land. Now we have to outline everything we have drawn with black sketch pen. Now outline very carefully you can do along with me so that you don't make any mistake, because there are some overlapping objects, like the mountain is behind the tree, so the tree will come in front and the mountain will not be seen. So after the tree, you can outline the boat. And finish with the land. It's basically maybe a bank of river. Then the other side of the river. Now be careful in this area. You can see the tree is in front, so we will not outline the mountain completely like we have drawn before with pencil. Okay. Now the sun. So now, since we are done with the outlining, we'll erase the extra lines very carefully. Now we are done with the drawing part, and now we'll start with coloring. So we'll begin with the sky. So first we have taken blue color, that's the primary color. Then we have taken orange, then yellow. Orange is again a secondary color. Then we have used lemon yellow for the sun, which is again a primary color. And again we are using orange color, that's the secondary color. Now we are using red color, which is again a primary color. Now you can take yellow pastel and just blend on it, on the red. Now let's start with the mountain. So here we are using secondary color violet. till now we have used only primary and secondary colors. Now you can see, now we are coloring violet first and then green on it. So we are mixing violet and green to make the tertiary color, one of the tertiary colors. Okay. Now let's come to the tree. We'll be starting with green. It's again a secondary color. We'll color it half the way. Then we'll take another shade of green, that's the deep green. Now you take the light green again and merge it. Now let's color the water. So we'll have some reflection of the sky. So we've added lemon yellow, orange little bit on the water, and then use a dark blue color. Now here, nearer to the mountain, color it very lightly. But as you come towards the bank of the river on this side, on nearer to the river bank, down here it will be darker. This way we can show the distance of the river. Now we'll take another secondary color again, the orange color for the boat, and yellow color on the other boat, and a mix of orange also on the other side. Now we'll take light green color for the bush. Now again we are going to use a tertiary color. So what we have used here, we have used for first violet color. You can see the tree trunk is first colored with violet color. Then on top of it we'll be adding orange color. So when you mix violet and orange, you get a kind of brown color. The same way we'll be coloring the boats as well. We are not taking brown color from the pastel box. Instead we are making this tertiary color out of two secondary colors.